Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2012 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. It has a 6.2 liter supercharged LSA, the 6-speed automatic transmission, and is black on black. All right, we'll take a quick walk around this vehicle. So let's take a look at the trunk first. So here's your trunk lid, and then inside the trunk itself, you can see it's all aligned. It goes pretty deep past the trunk lid. We do have the a car cover in here that will come with the car as well. We'll close the trunk lid. Let's zoom out. It has the power sunroof. As you can see, it's open there. There's your antenna. Coming back here, you can see this beautiful black paint. The rear spoiler. There's your taillights. We got the chrome around the taillights. The chrome bow tie, the ZL1 badge here. And as we come back here, you can see the dual exhaust with the quad tips. All right, let's make our way to the wheels next. So we get the matte black ZL1 wheels. We got a 315 35 ZR20 in the rear here with black brake calipers. We have a 285 35 ZR20 in the front. Brand new tires in the front, and the tires were done last summer on the rear. We have the ZL1 Brembo brakes, black, as I said before. We'll check out the door panel here. So we got the black door panel, this nice black painted piece here. We got the tweeter there, and then we got the Boston premium audio system, power locks and windows. There's your door release. We got the nice red stitching here on the armrest. Here's your dash on this side here, nice and clean, so you get some black trim. And we got the nice Alcantara on the dash here. Turbine air vent. We got the owner's manual in there. Door jambs, they look nice and tidy, nice and clean. We got this really nice chrome Camaro ZL1 kick plate there. That was added, looks great. We'll recline the seat here, show you the rear seat. So we got the black leather with this Alcantara inserts, and again the red stitching. Carpeted mats down there, and we got your power seats here. Let's check out these bucket seats. So again, the black leather with the Alcantara inserts and the red stitching. On the headrest, we got ZL1 embroidered. Show you the sunroof there. It is open. Close the door here, and we'll start back here. Show you the spoiler there. And there's your sunroof open. Body colored mirrors, as well as door handles here. And there's your tires there. We got the nice bulges there. Camaro script and chrome there. I just want to come back over here and I'll give you a shot of the paint here. So I'll give a body line there. There we go, a nice mirror finish. We have not even polished this car yet. So we're gonna do a 5-stage polish on this car. But this kind of gives you a base how great this car looks. LED headlights, there's fog lights down there, and we got the chrome bow tie in the center. Here is your hood. So it's got a nice hood insert. We'll see that in a bit, but you can see it says ZL1 there, and we got some air induction there that comes in. All right, here is the power plant of this beast. It's the 6.2 liter supercharged LSA V8. It makes 580 horsepower from the factory, and this one's paired to the 6-speed automatic transmission. A few upgrades done on this one. It has long tube headers on it, stainless steel. I don't know if you can see down there, but it has that. We have the air raid air filter system. It's got a cam in it, so a nice lumpy cam, and it's been tuned as well. So it's making a little more power. We'll close this up here. And again, we have not polished this car yet, so a little bit of marks and stuff. We'll make sure that we'll do our best to polish it out. ZL1 on the side there. I like how it's kind of a cowl hood integrated from the older Camaro. And you can see we got scoops here and exposed carbon fiber. That's that nice custom piece I was talking about. I'll show you the wheels over here on this side. And this side here. Back to our door panel here. We have heated mirrors there. And again, the Boston Premium audio system, power mirrors, power locks and windows, trunk release there. There's a little mark on the door panel here. Nothing terrible, I'm just pointing it out. We do have heads-up display in this car as well. That's what that slot is on the dash. Here's your door jambs here, and again, that really cool Camaro kick plate down there. Pedals down there, carpeted mats, your power seats, and we'll give this seat a scan as well. And again, it's the Alcantara, so it kind of brushes there. Very durable, race inspired. I'll show you the rear seat again on this side. And we'll hop in the car. Okay, so over here we got the vent. Here's your headlight controls. We have your dash stimulates here. We have manual, tilt and telescopic steering wheel column. Here is your headlight controls, or sorry, your cruise control there. Here's paddle shifters on both sides, upshift, downshift, cruise control on the wheel here. Here is your audio and Bluetooth here, and then we get your windshield wiper controls here. All right, let's go ahead and start this car up. It's got the key style, so ratchet style there. I love that. Put it in here. I'm just gonna put the window down because I want to hear this car start up, and we'll turn it. And all right, ready to start this beast. All right, you can hear that lumpiness at idle here. So we got the black leather wheel here, the bump outs, 3-spoke kind of design, bow tie in the center. Coming to the gauges here, we have analog gauges on the sides. There's your speedometer and your tach over here. Mileage, only 62,161 kilometers on this. All right, up here we got the visors, overhead console here. Let's go ahead and close the power sunroof. And that shade does pull shut as well. We got the vents over here. Here's your audio system here. So we got a CD changer. And then we have your audio there. Here's your climate controls. And then down below we have the gauges, just like the old 60s Camaros. I love that look. Great design. So you got these analog gauges here. And then we got your different drive modes. You got Tour and Sport, traction control there. And then here we have an upgraded transmission lever here. Chrome ZL1. It's kind of a ratchet style. I love that look. And then we have your e-brake here, manual style, 2 cup holders there. Here's your console. We'll open that up, put my hand in here. You can see the depth media port there. And we'll open up this door now. Put the window back up. And I'll get the lights on. And here we go. Here's the rev. It's got some power to it, right?